You know, reading this book makes me realize just how far popsicle making has come since mom made those ones out of Kool-Aid back in the day. Nowadays, they've got all kinds of recipes that are wonderful. Here's the popsicle maker we use, and using something like that, you can make popsicles that are cocktails, that are desserts, that are savory. They even have a recipe for your dog, a Popsicle. This is awesome. They've got baked Alaska. They've got cookies and cream. They've got Bellini. They've got strawberry shortcake, you name it. Everything in here is creative and fun. That's what makes this book, I think, a really great gift, is what we thought, because it's fun to look at and people kind of get caught up in it when they open it up. We actually gave this along with the popsicle maker to 5 different people. One of the people we gifted was my daughter-in-law, who got so excited she recommended we all have a popsicle making party. A fun book to look at, lots of great recipes. I'm going to enjoy myself a nice strawberry and cream. Mmm.